Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to refill the cartridge of Bizhub C25 printer. So this particular printer has four cartridges. We have the yellow, cyan, magenta and black. So to be able to remove it, I'm going to push the blue tab to the other corner and then this out. So I'm going to be refilling the yellow cartridge today. So to be able to refill it, you need to replace the sensor also, so that when after refilling it, the printer doesn't complain that the cartridge is low again. So to be able to do that, I am going to first of all um, refill the cartridge first, and then I will take out the sensor and then replace the sensor later. So in case I haven't done already, I would like you to like and subscribe to the channel. I have great videos of different kinds of office equipment repairs and maintenance. So I would like you to just check out my other videos and then see the kind of works that I do on them. So this is the sensor that I'm going to be replacing it with. And this is the sensor. The sensor has to be the same number. It has to be the same number for it to be able to work. So this is the cover of the cartridge. So I'm going to remove the cover and empty the container inside. So you have to be very careful when pouring this toner inside. Make sure you did not fill it to the brim, so that it doesn't pour inside your printer and then it will mess up your printout. So you have to pour it inside and let it get to a particular level that is not too full, so that it doesn't pour inside your overflow inside your printer. So right now I'm going to replace the sensor. To replace the sensor, get a tiny screwdriver and remove the tiny screw there that is holding down the sensor. Okay, so it's done. I am going to replace the cartridge now. And then, so with this same method, you can use the same method to refill the magenta cartridge, the cyan, and the black cartridge also. So that should be able to solve the problem. So thank you, and I'll see you some other time.